Hi, good day, lovely students. Mr. Marius speaking from a sunny South Africa. I'm honored to do this video today to introduce myself to you as a TEFL teacher. I've got over 23 years experience in education. I've worked as a principal, I've worked as a facilitator, and I've also obtained 2 university qualifications in education as well as a certified TEFL teacher. I'm introducing myself because I would love to work with students that would like to better their ability in English, to better their application in English, and get an opportunity to open a lot more doors in their personal life, in their employment, and in opportunities. I must say, I would prefer to work with young adults, young grown-ups, the 6 to 8 to 10-year-olds. I can help them, but I think the little teeny things and the little picture cards and the smiley faces and things belongs to female teachers that can work with that age group. I can do it, yes, but it's not me. The type of student I would like to have is a student that can work hard, that are committed to the process, and that are prepared to take time to develop their English. Please feel free, contact me, make an appointment, and let's see if we can get something that we can work together. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.